Hey everybody, Bill on from Mnpctech. How you doing? I just wanted to brag about something on this master case build that most of you probably didn't realize. And also I want to thank some people too. Mnpctech has been making their own hardline compression fittings for the last several months. We actually took about a year to do our own R&D to come up with the final design before they went into production, and we make them in our own family-owned workshop here at Mnpctech. The core base is 316 marine grade stainless steel aluminum, and the cap is 6061 aluminum. The cap does not come in contact with the liquid inside, so that's why it is aluminum. As far as I know, we're the only PC mod shop making stainless steel compression fittings for half-inch hardline, either stainless steel hardline or copper or PTG or acrylic. And we've kept it simple and clean. I want to thank Mosquito, Dave, Insolent Gnome, and Todd. These guys were beta testers for the fittings and offered their feedback. Also Stu and Captain Currysauce and anybody else that was involved with giving me feedback before these went into production. As you know, I've complained about liquid cooling manufacturers not spending enough time on R&D of liquid cooling components and making the public consumers the beta testers for stuff. So I take a lot of pride in the fact that we took our time developing and making these so they were right. And thanks everybody. And so I'm very proud of that. Will we expand more into more liquid cooling stuff? Maybe. But in any case, I just want to say thanks guys, and they are on Mnpctech right now. I'll post a link.